Most men over 60 think their dating days are behind them. They believe women only want younger guys or that age automatically makes them invisible. But here's the truth. Women can't resist a man over 60 who still carries these traits. And sadly, most men are wasting this massive advantage. Today we'll break down what really sets attractive older men apart and how you can tap into it, starting now. Number 1, vitality over age. It's not about being 25 again. It's about energy. A man over 60 who still takes care of his health, who moves with purpose, who enjoys life, instantly stands out. Women are drawn to vitality, not just youth. If you're active, curious, and full of life, she feels it right away. Number 2, emotional maturity. At 60, you've seen life. You've been through highs, lows, heartbreaks, and victories. That depth makes you more grounded and stable than most younger men. Women crave a man who gets it, who listens, who doesn't overreact. Emotional control is rare and extremely attractive. Number 3, style that speaks confidence. Forget chasing trends. A man who dresses well for his age, who knows what suits him and carries himself with confidence, radiates class. From a tailored jacket to polished shoes, style says, "I respect myself." And women notice instantly. Number 4, the power of presence. Most men today are distracted, glued to phones, nervous in silence, but a man over 60 who can sit with calm confidence, look into her eyes, and be fully present, that's magnetic. Presence is irresistible. Number 5, passion. Still alive. Women don't want a man who's waiting for life to be over. They want someone who still has fire, whether it's traveling, building, mentoring, or learning something new. Passion makes you glow, and it's contagious. Number 6, wisdom without arrogance. You've lived, you have stories, you have insights, but the attractive man shares them with humility, not ego. He becomes a mentor, a protector, and an equal all at once. That balance is gold. Number 7, humor and lightness. A man who can laugh at life, at himself, at the little things, is a joy to be around. At 60, it's not about trying to impress, it's about enjoying the moment. And women love a man who makes them feel safe and makes them laugh. Number 8, self-sufficiency. This is key. Women are not looking to be caretakers at this stage in life. A man who can cook a meal, manage his finances, stay active, and enjoy independence radiates strength. He's a partner, not a project. So if you're over 60, remember this. It's not your age holding you back. It's forgetting the traits that make you magnetic. Women don't want perfection. They want presence, vitality, and authenticity. Embrace these qualities and you'll see. Attraction doesn't fade with age. It gets sharper. If this spoke to you, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more real talk on dating, confidence, and living fully after 60.